Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will solve some problems on hyperbola, right? Yesterday we discussed types of hyperbola. What are the characteristics of all four types of hyperbola? That means when center is origin, we got two types of hyperbola. When center is not origin, we got two types of hyperbola equations and their characteristics and how we will find the foci, equation of directrices we discussed yesterday, right? Now we will solve some problems from the exercise. Now from this topic you are going to get one 2 marks question, one 4 marks question. So we will concentrate only on very short and short. Okay, come to the first question. It is a 4 marks question. Okay, so what is that? Observe carefully. One focus of hyperbola is given to us 1 comma minus 3 and the directrix is y is equal to 2. Find the equation of the hyperbola if eccentricity E is equal to 3 by 2. So first of all, what is the given information? We have to write. Read the question 2 times while taking the information, right? Take the given information correctly. So given that focus is given to us, right? So focus, generally focus means we will consider S is equal to 1 comma minus 3. And equation of directrix is given to us. Equation of directrix, right, is, what is that? Y is equal to 2, or we can write, generally line means we will write all the values one side. Y minus 2 is equal to 0, line equation. Okay, and eccentricity also given to us. E is equal to 3 by 2. So we have to find that ellipse equation whose focus, whose directrix and eccentricity are given to us. So we know that by definition of conic section, right, what is that? Geometrical condition SP by PM, no, not SM, SP by PM is equal to E, right. So that means we have taken one point P x comma y be a point on ellipse. How we will write the locus equation generally? First we will take one point on the curve, then we will write the geometrical condition SP by PM is equal to E. So send PM that side, SP is equal to E into PM. What is SP? Distance between S and P, right? This is nothing but distance, right, between which two? S and P point is equal to E into, what is PM? PM is perpendicular distance, isn't it? Perpendicular distance from P x comma y to which line? This line, right? To y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so distance between 2 points means how we will take? We will take a square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know the point P x comma y, we know the S point also. So it is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus, right, 3 whole square is equal to E into perpendicular distance formula, you know it, A x naught plus B y naught plus C by root of A square plus B square. So here it is 1 into y minus 2 by root of 1 square plus 0 square, or 0 square plus 1 square. And you know your E value, E is also given to us. What is that? 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 2 y minus 2. Root 1 is 1 only, or square root cancel, right? 1 divided by 1 means no need to write. So your equation is having square root, so we have to do squaring on both sides, right? If we do the squaring on both sides, what happens? It is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. For this whole square is equal to 3 by 2 y minus 2 whole square. Okay, so now square root will get cancelled. Now expand this by using your formulae. What is that? This is a minus b whole square form. This is a plus b whole square form. So come on, what is it? X square plus 1 square is 1 minus 2ab, that is minus 2x, plus y square plus 3 square 9 plus 2ab means 2 3s are 6y is equal to, here it is 3 square 9 by 2 square is 5, 2 square is 4, right? And this is a minus b whole square form. What is it? Y square plus 2 square minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4y. Okay, so bring this 4 this side. 4 into x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y, 1 plus 9, 10 is equal to, here 9 into 9y square, 9 4s are 36 minus 36y. Write all the terms together. Open the bracket and write all the terms together. 4x square plus 4y square, 4 2s are, right, 8x, 4 6s are 24y, 4 10s are 40 minus 9y square minus 36 plus 36y is equal to 0. Okay, writing in the order. So 9x square, only x square term is this one only, 4x square, and y square term 4y square minus 9y square minus 5y square. X term only this one, that is minus 8x, and y term 24y plus 36y, how much? 60y, right? Next 40 minus 36, that is 4 is equal to 0 is the required ellipse equation. No further simplification is possible, so we will write is required ellipse equation. Ellipse are which topic we are doing? Hyperbola equation. Our ellipse is over, right? Hyperbola equation. Okay, so now come to second question. What is your second question? If E even are eccentricities of hyperbola and its conjugate hyperbola, prove that 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square is equal to 1. So come on, given that E is eccentricity of hyperbola and we are having E1 is eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola, right? So what are the formulas? That means E is equal to root of a square plus b square by a square, and E1 is equal to, yesterday only we discussed, in previous class we discussed what will be our E eccentricities when it is hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola. What is the difference between hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola? Right side hyperbola, right side 1, and conjugate hyperbola, right side minus 1 will be there. Okay, so there I said if it is right side 1 by a square, if right side minus 1 by b square will be there, isn't it? Upward value is same but divided by, right, that value is different. So here prove that question is 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square is equal to 1. So come on, 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square. So 1 by e square root of a square plus b square by a square whole square plus 1 by e1 square a square plus b square by b square whole square. Square root cancels. So is equal to 1 by a square plus b square by a square plus 1 by a square plus b square by b square. This can be written as a square by a square plus b square and b square by a square plus b square. What is the LCM? A square plus b square is the LCM, and upwards a square plus b square. Both will get cancelled. It is 1. So hence proved. It is proved that problem, isn't it? Prove that 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square is equal to 1. Okay, so both are very simple problems. Actually, if we take any conic section, whether it belongs to parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, geometrical condition is this one only. SP by PM is equal to E. If E is equal to 1, parabola, E is less than 1, it is ellipse, and E is greater than 1, it is hyperbola, isn't it? So here you got one focus, right? S value and directrix is given and eccentricity is given to you. We have to find that hyperbola equation whose focus is given to us, whose directrix is given to us, whose eccentricity is given to us. So nothing but we have to find a locus equation. So that's why you consider one point on the locus, right? So you take the point on the locus, then by definition SP by PM is equal to E, right? So then SP is equal to E into PM. Okay, so SP means the distance between S and P. Okay, so distance between 2 points S and P, and E is equal to PM is the perpendicular distance from P x comma y to the directrix y minus 2 is equal to 0. So come on, distance between 2 points means we will take root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 3 whole square is equal to E into perpendicular distance from this, right? So A x naught, here x term is not there. Next B y naught, B term is there, right? B is 1. Y naught, in y naught place we are having y. Okay, so B y naught minus 2 by root of, actually A coefficient is 0, right? X coefficient is 0 and y coefficient is 1. So A square plus B square or B square plus A square, both are same. 1 square plus 0 square is 1 square. Root cancel, anything by 1 means that value only. So 3 by 2. E value is given as 3 by 2, y minus 2. So equation contains square roots, so squaring on both sides. Our locus equation should not contain any square roots, so squaring on both sides. Square root will get cancelled and expand it, right? That side also we have to expand. This is A minus B whole square form. This is A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square, and bring all the values one side. That is your required hyperbola equation. Next, it is given that E is eccentricity of hyperbola and E1 is eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. Then find the value of 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square, or prove the value this is equal to 1, like that also they can ask. So if E is the eccentricity of hyperbola, this is the formula for eccentricity of standard hyperbola and eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola, right? So we have to take 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square. So 1 by this square, 1 by square root will get cancelled. Then you will have this as A square by A square plus B square, this as B square by A square plus B square. Taking the LCM, A square plus B square is the LCM, and upwards we got same value cancelled, that is equals to 1. Okay, very simple problems. One problem is for 4 marks and second one is for 2 marks problem. Okay, practice these problems perfectly. So whenever it is either parabola or ellipse, I think you remember we did the same type of problems in parabola and ellipse also. There also focus is given, eccentricity is given, and directrix is given. There also we have taken the geometrical condition as SP by PM is equal to E only. In parabola, in E place we substituted 1, but for ellipse some value is given for E. Even in hyperbola also some value is given as E. So just substitute. Okay. So all the three curves satisfies the same geometrical condition, SP by PM is equal to E. Okay. So practice these problems perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.